Have you ever seen someone who works day and night, never takes a break, and yet struggles to make ends meet? Maybe that person is you. You pour your heart and soul into your job. You're the first one in and the last one out. But your bank account just doesn't reflect your effort. It's frustrating, it's demoralizing, and it makes you wonder, what am I doing wrong? Today, we're going to uncover the real reasons why hardworking people often stay broke. And I promise you, it has nothing to end laziness. Let's get one thing straight right away. Working hard is not the problem. Your work ethic is a strength. The real issue lies in where and how that hard work is being applied. The first major trap is what I call the effort illusion. We're taught from a young age that hard work equals success. So, we believe that the more hours we put in, the more we'll earn. But that's a dangerous oversimplification. If you're working a minimum wage job with no room for growth, you can work 80 hours a week and you'll still be trapped. You're trading your most valuable asset, your time, for a fixed, low rate. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. No matter how much water you pour in, it's never gonna get full. The effort is there, but the system you're working within is fundamentally flawed for wealth creation. This leads us to the second point, the difference between working hard and working smart. Working hard is about the quantity of your effort. Working smart is about the quality and direction of that effort. Imagine two people are told to cut down a forest. The hardworking person grabs an axe and starts swinging relentlessly, day and night. The smart working person spends the first day sharpening their saw. Who do you think will be more effective in the long run? The same applies to your career. Many hardworking people are so busy swinging the dull axe, just getting through the day-to-day grind, that they never take the time to sharpen their saw. Sharpening your saw means investing in yourself. It means learning new skills, getting certifications, understanding your industry better, or even learning about personal finance and investing. It's about stepping back from the immediate task to improve your overall capability, which allows you to command a higher price for your time or find more efficient ways to get work done. The third reason is a big one: fear of risk. To build wealth, you often need to step outside your comfort zone. This could mean asking for a raise, applying for a better job, starting a side hustle, or investing your money. But these things are scary. What if your boss says no? What if you don't get the new job? What if your business fails? What if you lose money in the stock market? These fears are completely valid, but for many hardworking people, the comfort of a steady, albeit small, paycheck feels safer than the uncertainty of taking a risk. They stay in a job they've outgrown because it's familiar. They keep all their money in a low-interest savings account because the thought of investing is terrifying. Unfortunately, playing it too safe is its own kind of risk, the risk of stagnation. Inflation eats away at your savings, and your earning potential remains capped. Wealth isn't built by avoiding failure. It's built by managing risk and learning from your setbacks. Now, let's talk about the employee mindset versus the owner mindset. Most of us are trained to be good employees. We show up on time, we do what we're told, and we complete our assigned tasks. We think in terms of our salary. An owner, on the other hand, thinks in terms of assets and systems. They don't just think about earning an income. They think about building things that generate income for them, even when they're not actively working. This could be a business, a real estate portfolio, or stock investments. I have to quit your job and start a multi-million-dollar company to adopt an owner mindset. It starts with a simple shift in perspective. Instead of just seeing your job as a source of a paycheck, see it as a platform to learn skills, build a network, and save capital that you can then use to build your own assets. Start a small side hustle. Invest a small portion of your paycheck each month. Begin thinking like an owner of your own financial life, not just an employee in someone else's. Another hidden trap is a lack of financial literacy. You can be the hardest worker in the world and earn a decent salary, but if you don't know how to manage your money, you'll always be broke. Many people fall into the cycle of lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, so you buy a nicer car or a bigger house. Your income goes up, but so do your expenses, and you end up in the exact same financial position, just with nicer things. This is often called the golden handcuffs. You're earning more, but you're also more trapped by your financial commitments. True wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how hard that kept money works for you. Learning the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing is non-negotiable. It's the language of money, and if you don't speak it, you'll always be at a disadvantage. no matter how hard you work. Finally, we have to acknowledge the powerful role of our environment and mindset. If you are surrounded by people who are content with just getting by, who complain about being broke but do nothing to change it, that energy will rub off on you. Their limited beliefs can become your own. They might discourage you from taking risks or trying something new, saying things like, "That'll never work," or "Who do you think you are?" It's crucial to surround yourself with people who inspire you, who are building things, and who believe in growth. Your network is your net worth, not just in a financial sense, but in a motivational one. If you can't change your immediate circle, then seek out mentors, read books from successful people, listen to podcasts, and watch videos like this one. Immerse yourself in a mindset of abundance and possibility. So what's the solution? It's not about working harder. It's about redirecting your incredible work ethic. First, start by sharpening your saw. Identify one skill that could increase your value at work, or allow you to start a side business, and dedicate a few hours each week to learning it. Second, start taking calculated risks. This doesn't mean gambling your life savings. It means applying for that job you think you're only 80% qualified for, or starting that small online store you've been thinking about. Third, begin to develop an owner's mindset. Start seeing your money not just as something to spend, but as a tool to build assets. Learn about investing and start small, even if it's just $20 a month. Fourth, get serious about your financial education. Read a book, take a free online course on budgeting, and finally, curate your environment. Actively seek out positive influences that will support your growth. Your hard work is your superpower. It's a valuable and rare trait, but it's not enough on its own. By combining your work ethic with smart strategies, a growth mindset, and financial knowledge, you can finally break the cycle of working hard and staying broke. You can start building a life where your effort translates into real, lasting financial freedom. The journey starts not with more work, but with a new direction. Thank you so much for watching. If this resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that helps you work smarter, not just harder. Let me know in the comments which of these points hit home the most for you. I read every single one. Until next time, keep building.